In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to access your web presentation layout inside Wix Editor and add an embedded widget using Chrome. To get started, open Google Chrome and make sure you're signed into the correct Wix account in a secure way without sharing any private login details on screen. Once you're in, go to your Wix dashboard and open the website project you want to work on. From there, launch the Wix Editor so you can access the layout of your web presentation. Give the editor a moment to fully load, especially if your site includes a lot of visual content or custom sections. It's always a good idea to wait until everything is visible and stable before making changes, so you can avoid clicking the wrong area by mistake. Once you're inside the Wix editor, look over to the left-hand sidebar. This is where Wix groups together the main tools you'll use to build and customize your site. On that sidebar, find the option labeled Add Elements. In many layouts, this appears with a plus symbol, making it easy to recognize. Go ahead and click that button to open the Elements panel. This panel contains a wide range of items you can place onto your page, including text, images, shapes, decorative sections, and more. Since we're focusing on embedding content, you'll want to stay within this panel and move carefully to the correct category. Next, inside the Add Elements panel, locate the section called Embed Code. Depending on your editor view, you may need to scroll a little to find it. Take your time here, because Wix offers many categories and it's easy to overlook the one you need if you move too quickly. Once you see Embed Code, click into it to view the available embedding options. From there, select Embed a Widget. This option is typically used when you want to place externally generated interactive content or specialized tools directly onto your page layout. After clicking it, Wix will insert the widget container into your design area, where you can continue positioning and configuring it based on your project needs. If the widget doesn't appear exactly where you want it at first, that's normal. You can usually adjust placement afterward inside the editor, and that's it. You've opened your web presentation layout in Wix Editor through Chrome, accessed the Add Elements menu, navigated to Embed Code, and clicked Embed a Widget. Follow these steps carefully, and you'll be ready for the next stage of adding embedded content to your site.